Is Cisco Webex lagging on your Windows computer? Whether you're experiencing slow performance, delayed video, choppy audio, or an unresponsive app, there are several ways to improve it. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Cisco Webex lagging on Windows in 2026. So yeah, let's get started. First, completely close Cisco Webex and reopen it. If the lag continues, restart your Windows computer to clear temporary files and background processes that may be slowing the application down. This simple step often improves overall performance. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Cisco Webex. Open the app, click your profile picture, and select Check for Updates if the option is available. Keeping the app updated helps resolve bugs and improve stability. Open Task Manager and close unnecessary applications that are using high amounts of CPU, memory, or disk resources. You know, programs like web browsers with many tabs, streaming software, or video editors can affect Webex performance. If your meetings are still lagging, try disabling HD video when it's not needed, turn off virtual backgrounds if your computer struggles with them, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. I mean, lowering the workload on your computer and network can make a noticeable difference. Finally, install any pending Windows updates and make sure your graphics and network drivers are up to date. If you're using an older computer with limited memory or processing power, performance may improve after upgrading your hardware or reducing background tasks. And that's how to fix Cisco Webex lagging on Windows in 2026. Hopefully, these tips help you enjoy smoother meetings with better performance. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.